have a sore throat, fever, and cough. Is it the flu?
Symptoms consistent with spontaneous combustion.
That doesn't sound right.
Hysterical pregnancy. Disco fever.
What?
Maybe make an appointment at Summa Health.
Yeah, let's do that.
Get winterized with a wellness checkup and flu shot at Summa Health. Call 800-23-SUMMA or visit summahealth.org/own it today. It's your health. Let's own it together.
You know, it was good to have an exhibition a game going against somebody else. We had about 8 goals, but 2 of those goals were stay injury-free, and we did that, and was to win the game. So 3 through 8, we're going to have to evaluate, and we'll see what happens on Monday. But, you know, like I said, we have a lot of young kids, and they're making a lot of mistakes, but they're working extremely hard. And I think every day we'll get better and better and hopefully play our best basketball at the right time of the year. Well, there's a couple times I looked down the floor. I saw 3 or 4 of them at one point, but they're going to grow a lot. I mean, they're just so young, and we do so many different things that just takes them a long time to figure it out. So I do love their energy. There are still a couple of young kids on the bench that didn't play very much that I think will continue to grow every day in practice, and the fans will get a chance to see them play. I think Clay will get on the floor at some point. She has a lot of energy. But I'm just glad to get that over with, you know, and these kids have worked extremely hard, and you just get tired of playing against yourself over and over again. So we get a chance to look at films, get a chance to see what's working, what's not working, try to fix things, and get a little bit better before our next game.